Hello everyone! So today I thought I'd make these carnivore chicken nuggets. What you will need is 1 can of chicken, 1 egg, and cheese of your choice, which I chose cheddar jack, salt, paprika, black pepper, and chili flakes. Time to get everything mixed together. Time to add my ½ cup of the cheddar cheese and my 1 egg, mix everything well, and start shaping up my nuggets. Alright, so the nuggets are all shaped and ready to go in the air fryer. I put them at 10 minutes at 400 degrees, which if you do like them more crispy, highly recommend that you do 20 minutes, which actually I did. And this is what it looks like, you guys. I am going to have some Frank's Red Hot with my chicken nuggets. They look absolutely amazing. Now it is time for the taste test. And yes, I am burning myself here, but I couldn't stop eating it. It was so good. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and I'll have everything down below in the description so you guys can make it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hello everyone! I thought today I would try to make the carnivore crack. This looks absolutely amazing. I have the Kerrygold butter and the regular butter, which I almost dropped. Now I'm going to brown this for about 10 minutes at a very low heat. And in the meantime, I'm going to cook up my bacon. Alright, at this time, my butter is starting to brown up, and yes, I am putting that bacon fat in there, extra flavor. So I'm going to put the butter now to the side, let it cool off a little bit, and chop up that bacon. The butter has turned into this beautiful brown color, and I made sure to add every last drop in this tin. I let it cool for about 10-15 minutes. And then I added the bacon. Look how good that looks. Freezer for about an hour. And this is what it looks like, you guys. I cannot wait to try it. If you like caramel, salty, savory, the carnivore crack is definitely something that you guys need to give a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!